Omushomo gwo gubire gutebekanisibwa b'ekitongole kya UNBS gubire gugenderire kwegesa abashubuzi n'abantu abari omu makorera make na munonga barukukora ebyokunywa n'ebyokurya nk'oku bakubasa kukora ebintu ebiri aha mutindo no kubashemerire kuhandikisa bizinesi zaabo.
UNBS eyina division namba eyamba abantu abakolera obutinitiri okubeera nti ebakwatako ku mukono ne baba nga bajja kusobola okubeera nga batuukirizibwa ebyetaagisa ebintu okubeera katale. Tubasomesezza engeri gye bayinza okuapulayinga oba okuteekamu application.
Oguhona yarabura barukwejumbira omu murumo ogu abarukukora binkwatire ki.
Consumer protection, health and safety, that is of paramount importance. Of course, as manufacturers, we are not interested in losing our customers. If you make a product today and your customers die, whom will you sell your product to tomorrow? So certification and adherence to the implementation of standards ensures protection of your consumers.
Konka abashubuzi nibagira ngu bakabire nibenda munonga kuhandikisa bizinesi zaabo bitu ngu birimwe bukwakuriza obwingi.
Nogendo shaba okora application kufuna quality mark kugira ngo bakwereke ngo mutindo gwawo gwahika aha buryo bwo bwine kuzo mu katale omara almost omwaka gwenda okiriyo linzire bakusatifying. Icyo kintu nkireterana na abo abine kwa business ezobuki abamwe batinde kugumisiriza baza okole ebintu ebitinde mitindo
bine improvinga aha muntu wa hansi kubanga bagera ngo bijo haritu abo kuguza ebintu tikikuri kuyamba konka bareba omuntu wa hansi tutandikira kuhinga mostere hati nore bichori hariho bwiro butwatangiye gushoze bichori bimwe bwoko bwingi babyanga na hero so ningira nti NBS yare tandikira muntu wa hansi katandika kumugira ngo koroti utakoroti nikiyamba kusinga kujamba commenting aninga bajaji ngomuntu
arano bahanda karakure orumukuru w'ebyobushubuzi habwambarira site kandi ojwekire site council asimira ba UNBS okureta humushomogo.
We really need to always have our regulators on ground, ensure that we comply to standards, we comply to the right qualities of
Gashakwa na Good Fatuma.